Clinical research is a crucial part of the healthcare industry, as it provides the evidence necessary to determine the safety and effectiveness of new treatments and interventions. The process of conducting clinical research can be complex and time-consuming, involving several different stages, including study design. This involves developing a research question, defining the study population, and determining the appropriate study design and methodology. Ethical considerations. Clinical research must be conducted in an ethical manner, with the well-being of study participants being a top priority. Researchers must obtain informed consent from study participants and comply with regulations and guidelines to protect their rights and safety. Recruitment and enrollment. Study participants must be recruited and enrolled in the study. This may involve screening for specific eligibility criteria, such as age, gender, medical history, or other factors. Intervention or treatment. The study intervention or treatment is administered to the study participants according to the study protocol. Data collection. Data is collected on the study participants, including clinical outcomes, laboratory results, and other relevant information. Data analysis. The collected data is analyzed to determine the safety and efficacy of the intervention or treatment being studied. Reporting and dissemination of results. The study results are reported and disseminated to the scientific community, healthcare providers, and the public. Clinical research can involve a variety of study designs, including randomized controlled trials, observational studies, and case control studies. These studies may focus on a wide range of medical conditions, from cancer and heart disease to mental health disorders and rare diseases. Clinical research is essential for advancing medical knowledge and improving patient outcomes. It is often conducted by academic medical centers, pharmaceutical companies, and other healthcare organizations, and is supported by government agencies and private foundations.